Yes, ma'am.
This was, yes. So we are learning this one advanced pie chart. We have to start, right? So again, here what we are doing, now we are creating, we know that this will give me the basic pie chart, no issues. It will give, just I will have to pass which division or the which component I want to see, and I will put the labels. If I don't give anything here, if I just pass this, if this is also more than enough, it will give me a pie chart, but no labels will be there. Without any labels, you will not understand which word. See, you get a pie chart, no problem, right? But with the
Yes, ma'am.
fields on, with field on, with the field, you will understand which division is what. Now, if I put like this, you can see, you will get the idea of which part is what. So that's the reason we pass these two. Okay, and then now we have we will understand what more we can get. Okay, sample over here. Now we know this is the one. Now what is export will do is, if I change one, so there are how many fields? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2,
Oh,
3,
ma'am.
4, 5. 5 fields are there.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry?
Yes, ma'am. 5 fields and
5 fields. 5 fields are there, right? So if for example, if I change for the 1, so what will happen with the first one? What is the first one? Artificial intelligence will be moved. The artificial intelligence will be moved for 1 millimeter. So for 1 centimeter. So as you can see here, what is Express doing? It is moving it aside. Okay.
Ma'am,
So
you are
here
done
also
with
can
this, ma'am.
pass one.
Ma'am?
I did this.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah,
I
even
did
the
this to you.
changing the color. Yes, ma'am. Even changing the color and the uh, color, everything you did this, ma'am.
Yeah, I did this. Okay. Then we are supposed to do this part, right? Advanced thing. Okay. If we are doing 2 or more graphs together. Okay. Let me just
Yes,
run
ma'am.
this again. Okay. Now we are, if for example, you need to create 2 or multiple graphs together, then we need to create a subplot. How many? See here, for example, I have created one line graph and pi over here. Right. Now I have to create 2 charts in the same plot. Okay. In the same position, I'm creating 2 charts. Right. So
Yes,
I will
ma'am.
first I will create what is the background. Okay, the background size, I'm specifying the background size. Okay, for example, over here, if I make it to 10, 6, 10, 6, what will happen? See, the size reduced of the back, right?
Yes, ma'am.
This is 10 centimeter. I mean, this is 10, this is 6. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding? Okay. Now if I put 10, 10 will be, see. Got it? The figure will give you the background size. What is the background size you want? Okay. And then we are creating subplots. We are creating 2 graphs in one panel. Okay. This is for the 2 graphs, 1 comma 2 comma 1. So what happened? First we are creating subplots. Okay. This is one of the subplot and this is the second subplot. Plot. Okay. So here in the first
Ma'am,
panel, the
ma'am,
and the
ma'am,
first plot.
ma'am,
Yeah.
I am not able to see your screen, ma'am.
Okay. 1 minute.
Yes, ma'am.
You are able to, right? Okay. Great.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in that group,
Okay.
that class is not your class, no, ma'am.
Sorry?
In WhatsApp group that I have sent screenshot, no ma'am, that some group they have added, no ma'am.
On that, I'm not sure, Vidya, that you need to check with them only
Sir
because I'm
said
not.
it's free class, ma'am. If I want, I
For
can
you.
attend, ma'am.
For that,
Yes, ma'am.
they are saying. Okay, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'm sorry, I couldn't read it. Sorry. If you want to, then you can join. Okay, I'm not sure about it. Okay, you can. If you ask me, I won't be sure. I'm only in the technical part over here, so I'm not sure about the other aspect what they are giving you. Okay, mostly mock interview I will take. Other than that, I'm not taking anything else. So if you have such queries, please tag Akash only. Okay, so
Okay,
he
ma'am.
will be able to help you a lot.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
okay. So we are creating uh, two graphs over here, right? So that's the reason in the first graph, these two graphs you are putting in that the first graph. Okay, getting the point,
Yes,
understanding.
ma'am.
So if I
Yes, ma'am.
pass through, so what will okay, I have to run from the first one. What is happening is in my area, right, there is maintenance going on. I'm connected with my phone, what do you call Wi-Fi, okay, phone hotspot. So that's a reason it is okay.
It's okay.
So if what will happen over here, you can see what the difference over here. See, the whole, we are not creating a plot over here. The whole thing we are creating only one. So that's a reason. So that's a reason how many graphs you want to specify. Uh, that we are giving over here. Okay, the uh, subplot. Okay, right.
Yes, ma'am.
Rina, can you hear me?
Ma'am, ma'am, your voice is breaking, ma'am. If internet is not good, can take on Monday.
Sorry.
Your voice is breaking, ma'am.
It's better?
No, ma'am.
Now is it better?
Yes, ma'am, I can hear you.
Hear me? So yes, this is the first first what do I combine to first is plot. This is line graph. We know that, right? How to plot line graph we have learned, right?
Yes, ma'am.
The access providing accessible information we have learned before. This is what is happening. Okay, here we are we are providing this is we need to specifying these are the plots of our line graph. This is the legend also we are specifying. This is the plot of our line graph. So in the second plot, I am doing a pie graph. So in this plot, the second part, I am plotting the line graph. I mean the pie chart. So
Pie chart.
after doing this, okay, now for example, I want to add the bar graph as well. Remember the bar graph? So I will change it to 3 and then I will change it to 1. Now what will I do is, I'll create one more thing over here. This will be 2 and then I will add my bar graph over here. Bar graph code. Okay, see what will happen. This is my bar graph code, right? So let me run this as well. Run for bar graph for just all this information I will take. Import. We are passing 3, so we are changing it to 3. This is the second one, and this is here the 3 of 3. Okay, now, as you can see, we have got 3 plots over here. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
So in this, in the one plot, I want 3 graphs in that first graph. Okay. Second graph, and this is my third graph. We are plotting 3 different graphs in one frame. Getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood how to plot multiple graph in the same thing. Again, if you want one more graph, here you'll change it as 4. Okay. Here also you change it as 4. And that 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Understood how to plot multiple graph in one frame?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now let's get into Seaborn library. What is Seaborn? As I told you before, what is Seaborn library is? We have Matplotlib. Here we are specifying each and every line, right? Here we are specifying each and every line. So here it is little automated. Okay, so for example, but Seaborn will only run for data frame, that is pandas, all that. It will be useful when you have a data structure, then only the Seaborn will work. Here, if you are passing the list and everything, you will get a graph, but this one will have, you have to convert into data frame. Okay, for example, I'm basic, we'll get into basic first, that is line graph. We have a line graph. Now we are plotting a line graph. So what I'm doing is I'm creating a data frame first. First is dates, that is key value pair I'm passing. Then I'm plotting SNS is Seaborn dot line plot. Line plot we are doing X is the month. What is supposed to be my X axis? What is supposed to be my Y axis? And the data, which data you are passing? The data frame. Okay. 3 values I have passed. Right. One is X. What is supposed to be my X value? What is supposed to be my Y value? And which the data you are passing in. Okay. Now, if I plot this, see, though we are using the combination, we are using, see this here, MATLAB also we are using Seaborn method also. Okay. Now if I plot this, as you can see, you got a line graph. Understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Got it? Here we are plotting,
Yes,
we are using you are always using the combination of uh, Matplotlib, and also we are using the Seaborn. For example, if I want to customize this even more, for example, over here, title, all this axis, I can run using Matplotlib. Okay, I will pass it after call. Now I will give the title, everything. Okay, now if I run this, as you can see, you got all the information, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So that's the reason we usually use this combination of, see, if plotting the graph is easier in one line only, you got everything. Even if it is a data frame, it is difficult in Matplotlib. So here it is easy in the Seaborn. So that's the reason I use Seaborn when I'm using a data, like in the Excel data I have, or any sort of data is there, or a data frame is there. It's better to use Seaborn method. The combination will give you a beautiful graphs. Okay. Understanding? Oh, now I need
Yes,
the
ma'am.
CSV. I have a CSV file of weather. I'll show you the CSV file now. 1 minute. It has now what does it has is it has date, city, the temperature, humidity, all this information we have. Okay. Now we are plotting the wind speed with the speed, and also let's the graph first. Club, we are doing a distribution graph. Okay, we are doing the distribution graph. What is this bin doing? It is Excel values. I mean, the speed. See, we have created a graph for wind speed, a histogram graph for wind speed. Okay, now what we have done is we have created the figure size first, the background size first. Then we have created a bin, which is this values over here. Okay, we have created these values.